Today is October 21st, 2016 on a Friday. The stock is ALKS. Now today ALKS did something pretty nice. It gapped up by $11.20. And I'm going to say it did pretty nice before those who have been holding it and got in relatively low, around $36. You would be really happy if you held this stock through today. And that's what we're probably seeing. Going to get into that's probably where we're seeing some of the red candle. A lot of people selling that were down there, and then they're just happy to take a nice little profit, right? So ALKS gapped up $11.27 to open at 57.03, and it hit a low of 54.80 and a high of 59.40. So that's great, and it closed at 55.80. At 55.62 for a total gain of 27.83% in all of its glory today. So now this is all due in part to news coming out at the end of the trading day on the 20th that the biopharmaceutical company announced positive results of its third clinical trial of their drug to treat major depressive disorder. So it hit strong volume, over 14.3 million in shares. Now here is what I'm seeing. So we take it back to April 2016. We're going along fine. Things are, higher. Things are looking good. There's support building along each of the way. Looks like this is just on a nice little steady incline. Things level out here. The news grows tiring from the last time, and now what we have is that news hits, we get this big gap, this big candle, a lot of action going into the day. And one of the things that I was listening to was an analyst who said this thing really, what the company really is looking for is this thing to hit $75, which is 35% above today's action, right? So this would add another $3 billion to the company's worth. I'm sure $3 billion has a lot to do with the valuation of the company and what they can do and move forward and things of that nature. So it's already a nicely, tightly held company with a lot of money already riding into this company. So most analysts do give this a positive outlook, and many of those analysts say if you have shares to hold them. And I don't know what to say for those who sold today, because everything that I see and everything that I hear, there's going to be, the company's moving now rapidly towards the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to determine the next appropriate steps towards regulatory submission for the drug. Don't know how long that's going to take, but that should hold it for a while. Now, I do see that it will be trading it'll be trading up around the $55, $62 range. That should be what we see in some of this that's kind of going on. So there's going to be some more to come, in my opinion, from everything that I'm reading and everything that I can see, on news like this. So the positive news and the fact that it's been trading pretty strongly is a good indicator. And that is it for ALKS. Happy trading, and I will see you I'll talk with you in the next video. Thanks.